Hey guys, welcome to the Nairobi Natural channel. In this video I want to take you through my process of taking down my box braids. If that is something that interests you, keep on watching. First thing I like to do is cutting my braids into a bob. This makes the process much easier and faster. As you can see, the braids in the back especially have already come undone. It's a good thing that I've decided to take them down now. So I had taken down one braid before I started recording just because I was really impatient and I wanted to see how much length I've gained. I had this protective style for about 5 weeks, and let me tell you, my hair has grown. I can't believe the difference. Next, I like to section my hair down the middle to get equal parts, and then I go in with my hairband to hold each part together. After this, I like to use a bit of my oil. I rub it onto my palms, and then that is what I use as I am undoing the braids. I find that using some kind of oil really helps the braids to just glide easily between my fingers, and the takedown becomes much easier this way. I am done taking down braids from the first section. I had installed mini twists before installing these box braids, so my hair is still in those twists. If you would like to see how I installed these braids, check out my Instagram. I use my hairband to hold the mini twists together before proceeding to take down the braids from the second section. I'm done, guys. This is what my hair looks like. I will then undo these twists, detangle, pre-poo, and wash this hair because it needs some serious washing. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share it. See you.